Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So this is a very special collab. This is in memory of Helen Evans. You've probably seen her in all of us girls' comments on every single one of our videos. She was a massive supporter of all of us. She was from day one. She wasn't just a subscriber, a supporter, she was a friend as well. I spoke to her quite a lot outside of YouTube, and she helped me through some really tough times, and was always encouraging me when I kind of had like little wobbles here and there. She would always encourage me, and yeah, she will be very sadly missed. Such a lovely lady. She had such a lovely heart, such a big heart. She was just there for everyone, and no matter what she was going through, she would always have time for everybody. And it is just so sad that, yeah, I don't really know what to say. But yep, I'm going to try and put something together that I think she would have liked. Hopefully I do her proud. So yeah, I will pop some music on and I'll come back at the end. Okay, see you soon. Okay, so this is the finished design here. I just wanted to just add just a little bit of bling, not too much. Hopefully I did Helen proud. Hopefully she would have liked it. There will be a playlist linked down below. Please go over and check out everybody else's designs, and yeah, Helen will be very sadly missed. So yeah, thank you so much for watching, everybody. Please check out everybody else's designs. Okay, I will speak to you all soon. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye.